To summarize, upselling and cross-selling are effective strategies for maximizing revenue during the Black Friday period. Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video by Flazio.com. I am Vittoria, and today I will give you a new tip to prepare for Black Friday, the most anticipated time of the year for both online sellers and buyers. So, tip number 2. Propose products in upselling and cross-selling. Before delving into how to apply upselling and cross-selling during Black Friday, it is essential to understand what these two concepts mean and how they can contribute to the success of your sales. Upselling is a sales technique in which a higher-end product or a premium version of the product that the customer is considering is proposed. The objective is to enhance the average order value, urging the customer to invest more to obtain a superior or more comprehensive solution. Cross-selling, on the other hand, occurs when suggesting the purchase of related or complementary products to those that the customer is viewing or purchasing. The concept is to fulfill additional customer requirements by enabling them to obtain all the things they need in one single shopping session. Black Friday is an excellent chance to utilize upselling and cross-selling to your advantage. That's why, during Black Friday, customers are looking for deals and bargains. Proposing them premium or complementary products can lead to a significant increase in the average order value, thus increasing your overall revenue. Second, customer satisfaction. Offering related or improved products shows that you care about the customer and want to provide them with the best possible solution. This can increase customer satisfaction and improve their perception of your brand. Third, reduction of abandoned cart. Cross-selling can help prevent abandoned cart. If a customer activates the cart with a suggested product, they are more likely to complete the purchase instead of abandoning it. How to utilize upselling and cross-selling techniques during Black Friday? Firstly, employ historical data and analysis tools to determine which products are most likely to be utilized in this strategy. For instance, you can suggest items commonly bought together and premium versions of popular products. Secondly, it employs persuasive messages to convince customers of the advantages of buying extra products. For example, you can highlight significant savings when purchasing certain products together or emphasize the advanced features of a premium product. Third point shows upselling and cross-selling suggestions at key points in the purchasing process. For instance, you can show complimentary offers prior to checkout or when the customer is looking at a related product. In summary, upselling and cross-selling are effective sales strategies to maximize revenue during Black Friday. With careful planning, persuasive messaging, and strategic positioning, you can increase the value of your sales and offer customers additional opportunities to meet their purchasing needs. If you've made your website with Flazio using tags, you can create related products in just a few clicks. Create a tag, associate it with the product of its realization card. It will appear as a recommended product during purchase. See you soon with the next advice to prepare for Black Friday.